Ever feel like your phone could do so much more with the right gear? Today, I'm revealing clever phone accessories that quietly solve everyday annoyances and upgrade how you use your device. Stick around, you might discover your next favorite gadget. If something catches your eye, the links in the description make grabbing it easy. It's wild how a tiny controller can completely change how your phone feels in your hands. Meet the Absolute M4 Snap-on Mobile Controller, a pocket-sized gadget designed to turn everyday mobile gaming into something far closer to a handheld console. First, the problem. Touchscreen gaming can feel awkward. Fingers block the screen, movements miss at the worst moments. That frustration quietly ruins great games. Now, the shift. The Absolute M4 Snap-on Mobile magnetically attaches to your phone, instantly adding real controls, dual joysticks, ABXY buttons, triggers, and a responsive D-pad. Suddenly, racing, retro titles, and cloud games feel natural again. And at just about 56 grams, it slips into a pocket without becoming another bulky accessory. But honesty matters. The ultra-compact design means players with larger hands may find it cramped during long sessions. Some users also notice softer button feedback. Compared with larger controllers like the Backbone-style options, the M4 trades ergonomic comfort for extreme portability. Who should grab it? Travel gamers, retro fans, anyone wanting console-like controls without carrying extra gear, because sometimes the smallest gadget quietly brings gaming back to life. The difference between an average video and a scroll-stopping one often comes down to a single thing: lighting. That's exactly where the Altson 60 LED portable selfie light quietly changes the game. Let's start with the real struggle. You set up your phone, the idea is great, but the lighting? Too dark, too harsh, faces look dull. The moment loses its magic. Now the fix. The Altson 60 LED portable selfie light clips onto your phone or laptop and instantly fills the scene with soft, balanced illumination. 60 LED beads and a CRI 97 Plus rating help deliver natural-looking skin tones instead of washed-out colors. Control is simple. 3 color modes, multiple brightness levels, rotate the panel up to 160 degrees to shape the light exactly where you need it. Who should buy it? Content creators, remote workers, or anyone filming quick TikTok clips. A small downside: the battery drains faster at maximum brightness, and controls are fully manual. Compared with bulky ring lights, it sacrifices size for portability but gains freedom. Sometimes, the right light doesn't just brighten a frame, it reveals your best moments. Missing an important call because your phone shows one lonely signal bar is more common than people admit. That frustration is exactly why a cell phone booster exists. First, the real problem. You walk around the house hunting for signal. One corner works, another drops the call. Thick walls, distance from towers, or rural locations quietly weaken reception. Now the turning point. A cell phone booster captures the weak outdoor signal with an antenna, amplifies it, and redistributes stronger coverage inside your home or office. The result? Clearer calls, smoother browsing, and fewer dropped connections. Setup is surprisingly practical. Most kits include an outdoor antenna, indoor panel, and amplifier unit designed to improve 3G, 4G, or LTE signals across multiple rooms. Who should consider it? People living in weak signal areas, remote workers, or households relying heavily on mobile data. The upside: stronger reception and more stable connectivity. The downside: installation takes effort, and boosters can't help if there's zero signal outside to begin with. Compared with Wi-Fi calling, boosters work even without broadband. Sometimes, one device quietly restores the simple luxury of staying connected. Imagine finishing 3 tasks at once without ever switching tabs. That's the strange kind of freedom the Hyangen Triple Laptop Screen Extender brings to a normal laptop. First, the everyday frustration. One laptop screen, 10 windows open, constant clicking, minimizing, and losing track of work. Productivity slows down without you even noticing. Now the shift. The Hyangen Triple Laptop Screen Extender unfolds 2 additional displays beside your laptop, creating a full triple-screen workspace in seconds. Each 14-inch Full HD IPS panel delivers crisp visuals and wide viewing angles, while the plug-and-play USB-C connection means no complicated setup. Portability matters too. Despite 3 displays, the unit weighs roughly 1 kilogram and folds into a slim design that fits easily into a backpack. Who should consider it? Remote workers, students juggling research, traders monitoring charts. The positives? Massive workspace and travel-friendly design. The drawback? Extra screens draw more power and require compatible ports. Compared with a single portable monitor, the Hyangan setup multiplies screen space instantly. And once you experience 3 screens on a single laptop, going back feels oddly limiting.
The moment you realize your phone camera could feel like a real camera, everything changes. That's exactly the idea behind the Telesin FunShot Magnetic Phone Camera Grip. First, the problem creators face. Shooting with a phone often feels clumsy. Slippery grip, shaky clips, constant tapping on the screen just to zoom or capture a shot. Now, the transformation. The Telesin FunShot Magnetic Phone Camera Grip snaps onto MagSafe-compatible phones using powerful magnets, creating a stable DSLR-style hold. Suddenly, your phone feels balanced in your hand, and those camera-style controls, like the 2-stage shutter button and zoom slider, make capturing photos or videos smoother and faster. Then comes the clever part. A detachable Bluetooth remote works up to about 10 meters, letting you trigger photos from afar, perfect for solo creators and group shots. Who should consider it? Vloggers, travel photographers, anyone filming short-form content with their phone. Upsides: ergonomic grip, magnetic mounting, and accessory support with a tripod thread. Downside: it adds another gadget to carry compared with simple clamp-style grips. Compared with traditional clamp grips, the Telesin design feels faster and cleaner. And strangely enough, this small grip can make your phone camera feel like a whole new tool.
And there you have it. Some seriously clever phone accessories that can quietly upgrade how you use your device every single day. From better gaming control to brighter videos and smarter productivity, these gadgets prove your phone can do much more with the right tools. If any of these caught your attention, you'll find all the product links waiting for you in the description. Check them out and see which one fits your setup best. And before you go, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell so you never miss the next wave of cool tech. Trust me, the next gadget might be the one you didn't know you needed.